Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create a detailed monthly billing statement for a month. For example, May 2026. Here I have some items, the quantity which is sold and the price for each item. Also, we calculate amount, then the amount of received and the outstanding amount. Also, I calculate the total amount for each one. Also, I provide color for no outstanding. Now let's start. First, let's calculate amount. I have 18 quantity of wireless mouse. The price is 420. So just from here, equal sign, this one, multiply this, enter. Click here and double click on this. Directly, it calculates the total amount for each item. Now, here, for example, I received some of money. For example, I received this amount of money. I just enter it to these cells. The total amount for wireless mouse is 7,560, but I only received 5,000. Here I want to provide a formula to know which money is remaining and which is paid completely. Just click here, equal sign, if, select this formula. If this amount equal this, comma, it means no outstanding. Otherwise, this cell minus this one, close bracket. It means if the amount here equal to payment received, it's no outstanding. It shows no outstanding. Otherwise, it shows the difference. It means shows the money remained. Just enter. Here, remaining 2,560. Okay, double click on it. Yes, it directly calculates the money remained and no outstanding. You can add currency symbol. For example, here amount, click these cells, and from the side, for example, English United States. Now I want to provide color code. How we can do it? Just select these cells, conditional formatting, new rule, format only cells that contains. Here select specific text containing no outstanding. Format, for example, provide this color. Okay. Directly fill the cells with no outstanding. Let's calculate the total amount. I have total amount, this one, total payment received, this one, total outstanding amount, this one. Just select this one, equal sign, sum. For amount, select this, enter. Okay, for this one, equals sum, enter. For this one, equal sum, enter. Now you see dollar sign is too much far from values. Just select it and from here change it to currency, then right click, format cells, add English United States. Okay, you see, for this one also, right click, format cells, currency. Okay, now it's better. That's all. Have a nice day.